What's the meaning of chinagraph pencil? Chinagraph pencil. Chinagraph pencil.
Chinagraph pencil. Chinagraph pencil. A chinagraph pencil is a type of grease pencil that is used to make permanent marks on glossy or non-porous surfaces. The name chinagraph comes from the fact that the pencil was originally made from Chinese wax. The pencil produces a thick, waxy line that can resist smudging and erasure. This makes it useful for marking surfaces like glass, metal, and plastic. Its versatility also makes it popular among artists and designers who need to make precise marks on a variety of surfaces.